I don't want to go. मेरी जो नी का प्रॉब्लम विदाउट सर्जरी कैसे सॉर्ट आउट हो सकता है? इट्स अ स्कैम जो सीनियर सिटीजन्स के साथ करते हैं. इट्स जस्ट अ वे टू एक्सट्रैक्ट मनी.
बॉब, फिर से 3 महीने के बाद मैं जा रही हूँ फॉर माई फॉलो अप ट्रीटमेंट. सी, आफ्टर माई ट्रीटमेंट जस्ट सी, लुक, माई हैंड इज सो गुड, बॉब. टेक्नोलॉजी हैज प्रोग्रेस्ड. You know that.
टेक्नोलॉजी की बात ना. I missed the match because of the smart TV and the remote control. And Vivek did not fix it up for me.
पापा आपको कितनी बारी कहा है ऐसे जाते समय मत टोका करो, मेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग है यार.
Because he's always busy. Busy all the time.
और एक तो आपकी सेंस ऑफ टाइमिंग ना लाजवाब है पापा.
और वो चले गया. I can never forgive him for that. My sense of timing is always wrong.
Bob, times have changed now after your wife's demise. He's managing the house, he's working, he's taking care of you. You do understand that, no, Bob? He's really trying, Bob.
मैं ये नहीं कहता कि वो ट्राई नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन मैं भी I'm trying my level best to cope up with everything that's going around. But again, when it comes to his girlfriend, her timing is right. All his stress and everything vanishes when he's speaking to her. और मेरी बात आई. My timing?
He's a good son, Bob. Look at my scenario. मेरा बेटा and his wife 10 साल हो चुका है. It's over a decade, Bob. They're living abroad. After my divorce, I'm managing everything on my own, Bob. I mean, I'm all alone, Bob.
I'm there for you. Let's go.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I do. मीना पटेल मेरा follow up है.
Okay, ma'am.
और मिस्टर मेहता का consultation है first time.
Okay, just one second. Okay, sir. Sir, sister will take you to the doctor's room.
What brings you to Ortho Renew Clinic today?
I'm going through this terrible pain. I mean, it's like जो दो हड्डियां होती है, it's grinding and it's very excruciating.
Okay.
And it's very painful. मतलब ये रूटीन चीज़ें जो है, staircase वगैरह चढ़ना, ये वो सब उसमें तकलीफ है.
Right.
चलने में थोड़ी तकलीफ है. कहीं अगर हिली कुछ है तो उसमें I have a problem and it pains.
Okay. I'm sure you've heard about us, and do you want to ask any questions?
That's what I'd like to do. Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So there is, like 75-year-old people, basically. How safe is this treatment that you're doing?
Well, you'll be glad to know, Mr. Mehta, that it's extremely safe because we use non-surgical procedures. So it makes it really safe. In fact, you'll be really surprised to know that we have patients with blood pressure, diabetes, heart conditions coming to us.
Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. So how different is this treatment?
Ortho Renew procedures focus on repairing the damaged joint tissue. They aim at reducing pain, increasing mobility, so that no surgery is required or there is a delay in surgery. In fact, you'll be surprised to know that body's own healing cells are used during the treatments. So the risk factor is much less and the complications are none.
So how long is this treatment for? Do I have to be hospitalized or bed rested or anything of the sort?
No, not at all. No hospitalization is required. In fact, not even bed rest. Certain patients, even they walk out on the same day and resume their light daily activities, of course, with guided help. And within weeks to months, you're on and about doing the things you love.
I'm glad that there's something like that has come up, because the word surgery and everything is devastating.
Of
really.
course, it is. It
Yes.
is for all of us. Thank you so much, Mr. Mehta. And please do come back when you're ready for a thorough checkup of your injury. Please do come back to us.
I definitely will. Definitely will. Thank you
Thank you so much.
So, how was the consultation?
It's very good. Yeah.
Let's go. Coffee date.
Coffee date.
My sense of timing is improving, isn't it?